all, my name is P. Venkati Amni, studying 10th class in Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Andhra Pradesh Backward Classes Welfare Residential School, Salur. Today I am explaining about the measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency are of three types: mean, mode and median. My friends already explained about mean and mode in before videos. Now I am explaining about median in this video. Median is the middlemost value of given observation when they are arranged in ascending or descending order. Here is the formula of median of grouped data. Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here is the explanation of median formula. L means that lower boundary of median class. N means that number of observations. CF means that cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. F means that frequency of median class. H means that size of the median class. Here is an example for median. These are the class intervals and these are the frequency. According to the formula, firstly we want to find the cumulative frequency. To find the median, we can choose cumulative less than cumulative frequency or greater than cumulative frequency. Here I choose less than cumulative frequency for this sum. To find the less than cumulative frequency, firstly we can write the frequency in this sum and after add the before frequency to the next frequency. Here the first frequency is 6. So we write the frequency is 6. And we add the before frequency to the next frequency. Here the next frequency is 30. So we add 6 to the 30. So 6 plus 30 equals to 36. Next 36 plus 40. 36 plus 40 equals to 76. Next 76 plus 16. 76 plus 16 equals to 92. 92 plus 4. 92 plus 4 equals to 96 and 96 plus 4. 96 plus 4 equals to 100. Here 100 is also called as n. N means sum of frequency. N equals to 100. Next we want to find the n by 2. Here n is 100. So n by 2 equals to 100 by 2 equals to 50. Next we find the median class. Now we want to find the median class interval. Here n by 2 equals to 50. N by 2, we want to check that n by 2 value in LCF. Here n by 2 value is 50. We want to check that 50 comes under 6. No, here 50 not comes under 6 and 50 not comes under 36. But 50 comes under 76. So we take the class interval opposite to this cumulative frequency as median class. So here 7 to 10 is the cumulative frequency opposite class interval. So we take 7 to 10 as the median class. Here 7 to 10 is taken as median class. And next we want to find the lower boundary of the median class. Here these are lower boundaries and these are upper boundaries. I already tell that L means lower boundary of the median class. Here median class is 7 to 10 and the lower boundary is 7. So we take 7 as lower boundary of the median class L. L equals to 7. Here L equals to 7. Next we want to find the CF, cumulative frequency. I already tell that cumulative frequency means cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Here the median class is 72. The preceding median class of the 7 to 10 is 4 to 7. The 4 to 7 frequency is 36. So we take 36 as the cumulative frequency CF. So here take CF equals to 36. Then CF equals to 36. Next we want to find the frequency. I already tell that frequency means frequency of median class. Here the median class is 72. The frequency of median class is 40. So we take an F equals to 40. F equals to 40. Next we want to find the H. H is the class size of the median class. Class size is the difference between the two successive upper limits or lower limits. Here these are the lower limits and these are the upper limits. The difference between them is 19 minus 16 equals to 3, 16 minus 13 equals to 3, 16 minus 13 equals to 3, 13 minus 10 equals to 3. So we take an H equals to 3. Next we want to substitute all these values in the formula. Here L equals to 7. So 7 plus n by 2 equals to 50. 50 minus CF equals to 36. So 36 by F equals to 40. 40 into H equals to 3. 3. Here 7 plus 50 minus 36 equals to 14 by 40 into 3. 7 plus 14 into 3 equals to 42. So 42 by 40. 221s are 220s are 7 plus 21 by 10 equals to 7 plus 21 by 10 equals to 1.05 equals to 8.05. This is the median of grouped data. Thank you.